Here I've got HUAWEI Y5p, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper, and then go to the wallpaper right here. Click on allow to give all the access that is needed, tap on more wallpapers, or here you can check all the currently active wallpapers. If you click on more wallpapers, just tap on next, agree with all the terms, you will be able to come along with some further options. But let me choose one from the default ones. It can be this one. You can obviously open the wallpaper and then decide if you want it to cover your home screen. And I think that I will pick this one. Then you can customize it, make it smaller, bigger, it's up to you. We can do it this way, and then just tap on confirmation mark. Finally decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only your home screen, or both of them, and I will pick both, home screen and lock screen. And as you can see, from now on you've got everything here. So this is your brand new wallpaper, and also your lock screen is changed. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.